Okay, another episode for the daily vlog. It's slightly delayed, but now back to my daily vlogs, I guess. I'll show you what I got up to the other day. Just bought my sister lunch for a delayed birthday and come down and look at the water down the road here. Nice day. Really? Live commentary here. There's some ferries that go to Stradbroke Island, etc. Nice. Background commentary. There you go. And now I'm heading up to Bunnings, which is, all Australians would know, Bunnings warehouse. Like hardware store, I guess you'd say. Anyway, have a look around Bunnings. Okay, so I guess to people outside of Australia or New Zealand, it's a bit like America's home hardware depot, or you get the picture. Bit of everything. Doing a cruise around here. After a padlock today. There's some weed eaters and blow-evacs, which I've seen on my videos. Different brands. Some rakes. That sort of thing. Oil. Bit of everything. See? Tree loppers. So I thought I'd just say this for people that aren't aware what Bunnings warehouse is. It's a large chain, Australia and New Zealand, I believe. Anyway, I'll continue my tour. I'll be dipped. There's someone familiar. I'm buying some weed and feed. Where would padlocks be?
Oh, I don't know.
She doesn't know where padlocks be.
Oh.
We'll have to find out on her lonesome. There's a different version to the Ryobi mower you saw me make a video about. It's a wider one and uses 2 batteries. Also more expensive. There's another version again. Check out that video if you haven't seen them, while I continue looking for padlocks. Handy little kit. Let's see if padlocks are up here. Everything you need for painting. Well, the sign tells me, but also the guy said aisle 10. Padlocks. There we go. Let's check them out. Okay, got a little padlock. That's it for my trip. I'll see you next time. Cheers.